Today we're diving into a crucial topic for urban preparedness: growing food in an apartment. Nothing beats the taste and nutritional punch of fresh produce, especially in an emergency. Whether you've got a balcony, a sunny windowsill, or just some grow lights, I'll show you 14 resilient and nutrient-rich vegetables you can grow right in your apartment. Stick around and let's turn that concrete jungle into a thriving urban farm. Let's kick things off with the champions of speed and simplicity: sprouts and microgreens. These tiny but mighty greens are incredibly easy to grow and can be ready to eat in just a few days. These little nutritional powerhouses are like the express train to food security. They grow quickly and are packed with nutrients, making them an excellent addition to any diet. All you need is a jar, some water, and a few seeds. The process is simple and doesn't require any special equipment or gardening skills. Sprouts offer a 7-to-1 return on your investment in just about a week. Imagine getting 7 times the nutrition from the same amount of seeds. They pack significantly more vitamins, minerals, and enzymes than their mature counterparts. This makes them a superfood that can easily be grown at home. You can toss them in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or eat them as a quick snack. Their versatility means you can incorporate them into almost any meal. Make sure you've got a good supply of sprouting seeds on hand. Different seeds offer different flavors and nutritional benefits, so it's good to have a variety. They're easy to store, require minimal space, and provide a steady supply of fresh, nutritious food. With just a small corner of your kitchen, you can have a mini garden that keeps on giving. Now let's talk about the mighty tomato, a staple in kitchens around the world. With over 10,000 cultivars, you're spoiled for choice. From tiny cherry tomatoes to large beefsteak varieties, there's a type for every taste and recipe. Cherry, beefsteak, heirloom, you name it. Each variety brings its own unique flavor and texture to your dishes. Tomatoes are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins C, A, and K, as well as potassium and lycopene. These nutrients are vital for maintaining good health and boosting your immune system. They're incredibly versatile. Eat them fresh, cook them into sauces, or sun-dry them. You can even make delicious soups and salsas. Tomatoes love sunshine and well-drained soil. Make sure they get plenty of both for the best growth. Give them what they need, and they'll reward you with a bountiful harvest. Imagine picking fresh tomatoes right from your garden. Got a sunny windowsill or a small balcony? Perfect. You don't need a large garden to grow tomatoes. You can grow them in pots, hanging baskets, or even upside down. The possibilities are endless, making tomatoes a great choice for any gardener. Let's move on to chives, one of the most versatile and easy-to-grow herbs you can have in your garden. These unassuming herbs are nutritional powerhouses with a high nutrient density score. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, they offer a lot more than just flavor. They're incredibly easy to grow, even if you have a black thumb. Just plant the seeds or seedlings in a pot or directly in the ground. Chives thrive in well-drained soil and prefer a sunny spot but can tolerate some shade. They are perfect for small spaces like windowsills or balconies. Once established, they'll keep coming back year after year. You can harvest them multiple times in a season. Use chives to add a burst of flavor to salads, soups, eggs, and even baked potatoes. Their mild onion-like taste enhances any dish, or make a delicious chive butter. Simply mix chopped chives with softened butter for a tasty spread. If you have an abundance, you can always dry them and store them for later use. Dried chives retain much of their flavor. Talk about a reliable source of fresh herbs. Chives are truly a gardener's best friend, offering both beauty and utility. Parsley. More than just a garnish. This vibrant herb is a nutritional powerhouse with a high nutrient density score. Parsley is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and folate. It's also a good source of antioxidants. Parsley is incredibly easy to grow indoors. It thrives in well-drained soil and prefers a sunny spot but can tolerate some shade. Once established, parsley will provide a steady supply of fresh, flavorful leaves. Add it to salads, soups, stews, or make a delicious pesto. Scallions. Regrowing food from scraps. Save the bottom inch or two of your store-bought scallions, place them in a jar of water, and watch them regrow. Scallions are a good source of vitamins C and K, as well as folate and potassium. They add a delicious oniony flavor to dishes and are incredibly versatile. Just make sure the roots are submerged in water, change the water every couple of days, and provide them with some indirect sunlight. Within a week or two, you'll have a fresh batch of scallions ready to harvest. Garlic. The antimicrobial powerhouse you can grow in a pot. Garlic is a good source of manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. It also contains compounds with antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. To grow garlic indoors, plant cloves about an inch deep in the soil, water well, and wait. It takes about 8 to 10 months for garlic to mature, but the wait is worth it. Use the green garlic scapes in salads and stir-fries, and once the bulbs are mature, harvest them for countless dishes. Nothing beats the taste of fresh, crisp lettuce in a salad. With a high nutrient density score, lettuce is packed with vitamins and minerals. Whether you prefer romaine, buttercrunch, or arugula, you can easily grow a variety of lettuce indoors. Lettuce thrives in cool temperatures and prefers partial shade. Plant them in a well-drained potting mix, water regularly, and ensure they get at least 4 hours of indirect sunlight per day. Once your lettuce is about 6 inches tall, start harvesting the outer leaves for a continuous supply of fresh salad greens. Watercress is an aquatic superfood that's surprisingly easy to grow in an apartment. With a perfect nutrient density score, watercress is a nutritional powerhouse. It's an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, iron, and potassium. To grow watercress indoors, use a container that can hold water, such as a shallow tray or a hydroponic system. Fill the container with water, add some watercress seeds or cuttings, and place it in a bright location. With proper care, you'll have a continuous supply of this nutrient-rich superfood. Often dismissed as a pesky weed, purslane is a highly nutritious leafy green packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Purslane is a good source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as magnesium, potassium, and calcium. It's one of the few plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids essential for heart health and brain function. Purslane thrives in sunny locations and well-drained soil. You can start purslane from seed or transplant some from your yard. Once established, purslane will provide a steady supply of fresh, nutritious leaves for salads, sandwiches, or stir-fries. Strawberries. Sweet rewards from your windowsill. Fresh, juicy strawberries are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. To grow strawberries indoors, you'll need a sunny location, a pot with good drainage, and some strawberry plants. Strawberries prefer slightly acidic soil, so use a potting mix designed for berries. Water your strawberry plants regularly and fertilize them every few weeks during the growing season. With proper care, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest of sweet, juicy strawberries. Beans protein powerhouses that climb your walls. Beans are easy to grow, incredibly versatile, and can be stored for long periods. They provide a beautiful vertical element to your indoor garden. Some of the best varieties for indoor growing include bush beans, pole beans, and soybeans. Beans prefer well-drained soil and a sunny location. Once your bean plants are established, water them regularly and provide support if they're vining varieties. You'll be rewarded with a steady supply of protein-rich beans. Green beans, also known as string beans or snap beans, are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. These crunchy pods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. To grow green beans indoors, you'll need a sunny location, a pot with good drainage, and some green bean seeds. Green beans prefer well-drained soil and a slightly acidic pH. Water your green bean plants regularly and fertilize them every few weeks during the growing season. With proper care, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest of fresh, crunchy green beans. Lentils might be small, but they're nutritional powerhouses. These tiny legumes are packed with protein, fiber, iron, and other essential nutrients. To grow lentils indoors, you'll need a sunny location, a pot with good drainage, and some lentil seeds. Lentils prefer well-drained soil and a slightly acidic pH. Water your lentil plants regularly and fertilize them every few weeks during the growing season. With proper care, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest of these nutritious legumes. Peas are another fantastic choice for indoor gardening. These prolific producers are easy to grow, incredibly versatile, and delicious fresh or frozen. Peas are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and protein. To grow peas indoors, you'll need a sunny location, a pot with good drainage, and some pea seeds. Water your pea plants regularly and provide them with support as they grow. With proper care, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest of sweet, delicious peas. So there you have it, folks. 14 incredibly resilient and nutrient-rich vegetables you can easily grow in your apartment. Preparedness isn't just about stockpiling supplies, it's about developing skills and knowledge to thrive in any situation. Growing your own food, even in a small space, is a powerful step towards self-reliance and resilience. Stay safe out there, and happy growing.